Welcome to this technical guide on the HP15 SFQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their HP15 SFQ gets so hot it burns to touch. This overheating can occur due to dust accumulation in the cooling vent or a failing fan, leading to inadequate heat dissipation. If left unaddressed, prolonged overheating can cause serious damage to internal components, potentially leading to complete device failure. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back cover, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Gently pry open the back cover using the flathead screwdriver, starting at one corner and working your way around to avoid breaking any clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the cooling fan. This is usually situated near the heatsink and is identifiable by its circular shape and fan blades. If you see dust or debris, it's likely affecting the fan's performance. Carefully disconnect the fan's power cable by gently pulling it away from the motherboard connector. Next, unscrew the fan from its housing, taking note of the screws' locations, as they may differ in size. When you have removed the fan, inspect it for any signs of damage. If it appears faulty, you will need to replace it with a new one. Before installing the new fan, clean the heatsink area with the compressed air to remove any dust. Apply a small amount of thermal paste to the heatsink to ensure optimal heat transfer. Now, install the new fan in the reverse order, ensuring that it sits snugly in place, and reconnect the power cable securely. Reattach the back cover of your HP15 SFQ, making sure all clips are aligned and the screws are firmly in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent the overheating issue from recurring, regularly clean the vents of your device and avoid using it on soft surfaces that can block airflow. Additionally, consider using a cooling pad to help dissipate heat. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.